Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change spark plugs. Changing your spark plugs is a straightforward maintenance task that can improve your engine's performance and fuel efficiency. Before we begin, it's vital to prioritize safety. Always ensure your engine is cool to the touch and disconnect the negative battery terminal. You will need a few basic tools, including a 5/8" spark plug socket and a torque wrench to complete this job successfully. Now let's access those spark plugs. On your Mitsubishi Mirage, you'll find 3 ignition coils positioned conveniently on top of the engine. Each coil is held in place by a single 10mm bolt. Before removing the bolts, gently disconnect the electrical connector from each coil. Press the small tab on the connector and pull it straight off. Once the bolts are out, you can carefully lift each coil straight up and out of its well. With the ignition coils removed, you can now access the spark plugs. Use your 5/8" spark plug socket with an extension to reach down into the cylinder head. Carefully loosen and remove each old spark plug. Take a moment to inspect the old plugs for any signs of unusual wear, which can indicate other engine issues. When installing the new plugs, hand thread them first to prevent cross-threading, then torque them to the manufacturer's specification, typically around 18 foot-pounds. You're almost done. Now, it's time to reassemble everything. Carefully place each ignition coil back into its well, ensuring it seats properly over the new spark plug. Reinstall and tighten the 10mm bolts for each coil. Don't forget to reconnect the electrical connectors to each ignition coil until you hear a click. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your engine to confirm everything is running smoothly and enjoy your improved performance.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.